Hi guys, welcome to another video from Bellydance with Tahira series. Today we will do a first turn in our series for beginners, and this turn will be a pivot turn. You can come across this turn in other techniques, and the technique of the turn itself will be the same. As I said, this turn is quite simple. You stay with your body weight on one leg at the beginning, and this leg is only turning on spot in one place. The other leg, in this case the right leg, will be doing the step forward. So you do the step forward and turn, and once again forward and turn, and again forward and turn, and again forward and turn. And of course this is the same for the other side. So the right leg stays in place and turn, the left leg is doing the steps. So step and turn and step and turn and step and turn and step and turn. If you like to and you have problems with distinguishing the sides of the turn, you can remember that you always turn to the side of the on spot leg. So if the left leg is turning on spot in one place, then you are turning to your left after your left arm. So you go forward and to your leg, left, hop and forward and left, and the same goes to the other side. So right leg is staying on spot and you're taking your right shoulder, and you go hop and to the right and hop and to the right. And this is how you do a pivot turn. Give me a thumbs up if you like this lesson. Let me know in the comments down below if you managed to do this movement, or if you have any more questions or doubts, also leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, turn on bell notifications to be notified about new videos from this and other series. Thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you soon. Bye!